So today we're gonna make a nocino with green walnuts. I've seen it made with green walnuts. I've wanted to make it for a really long time because it's a flavoring that I have access to all the stuff. This is the walnut tree above my head, so easy for me to get the supplies. Hoping we like it, but it's 30 washed green walnuts. I'll link the recipe below, but it's 30 walnuts, young. This is supposed to be the traditional time to get it, but I'm not sure if that's in Minnesota or if that's down here in the Ozarks. Okay, so the recipe is 30 walnuts. Technically, it's an Italian recipe. You can't tell by the name. It's supposed to be English walnuts. I've seen a lot of people make them with the green or with the black walnuts. And then 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cloves, vanilla bean, zest of a lemon. I don't have that.
2 little bee wasps.
2.5 cups. Uh-oh, what's getting you? Oh. Azariah's gotten 2 stings today, and Simeon just had to run from a stinger.
2 thingies.
2.5 cups of sugar, a liter of vodka, and then basically you tincture it. You let it sit for 6 weeks, shake it occasionally, and then strain, and you have the extract. Technically, it's a liqueur, but I'll use it like I will our vanilla.
Put it in bubbly.
I need my knife. Okay. I'm gonna quarter them.
I'm really good at cutting.
I know, but they're round and hard. I'm gonna see how full this gets. This is only a liter of vodka, so kind of feel like that would fit in a half gallon.
Pineapple was put in the fridge, so it's cold.
I'm also putting in more vanilla than it's called for, and the cinnamon stick. We scraped these pods, and they were in our freezer, so they're a little bit spent. But
better to use.
That's why I put an extra. I am quartering them, though most recipes I saw only halved, because the more surface area, the more flavor. Walnuts kind of have a gross good smell to them, like maybe a little citrusy and something. This is supposed to be good in ice cream. Obviously, alcoholic drinks, you would use more. I'm hoping that it can kind of replace some of our vanilla usage. But the problem is, this year, I don't know if I want 20 of these or 1 of these, but go small the first year. Because it's 6 weeks, so I can't make another batch at that point because these will be too hard. So I could potentially, freeze them maybe, but I'm not gonna do that. So I couldn't find my star anise or my cloves. I think I need to order more. Okay, so now this is supposed to get 2.5 cups of sugar, which would dissolve nicely in there. It's supposed to be a dark sugar and not measuring again. Also, the vodka will help this just fall down to the bottom and melt. I have this sugar out here for a couple of recipes I'm doing. So we just spent all that time catching or picking walnuts, Judah did, and now they're just falling, free falling. He'll be glad to hear about that. I think to get 2.5 cups in there, I'm gonna have to start pouring in a little bit of vodka. And a liter of vodka is gonna be a little over half of this bottle. We'll see if it fits. I don't know if this is gonna work right. Black walnuts, cinnamon, and vanilla.
How much lemon? The sugar makes it look colorful.
Yeah. Putting a tiny bit of lime juice in because I don't have
Lemon?
lemon zest. Yeah.
You said lime. Oh, there was a bee thingy on your hand.
Yeah, that's why I shook it.
Those are always on.
Do you want to get me a lid and ring?
Sure.
It's a flavoring.
Walnut?
Yeah.